Every great French fry starts right here in the dirt. Massive harvesters dig up mountains of fresh golden potatoes. Thousands of raw potatoes tumble onto the moving conveyor belts. Our hardworking farmers handpick the absolute best potato crop. We fill these massive trucks to the absolute brim today. These fresh potatoes hit the highway for the processing plant. The massive delivery arrives right at the processing facility gates. Quality control inspectors immediately take samples from the fresh batch.
We carefully measure every single potato for the perfect size. Only the absolute best potatoes pass this strict quality test.
The truck dumps an entire mountain of potatoes right here. Technicians track the exact weight of every single incoming shipment. Welcome to the largest indoor potato mountain in the world. Giant industrial fans keep the entire storage facility perfectly cool. We monitor the temperature and humidity levels around the clock. The raw potatoes take a wild ride down the flume. This rushing water channel acts like a liquid conveyor belt. Heavy stones and dirt fall completely through the vibrating grates. Intense water jets blast away all the remaining field dirt. A giant rotating drum gives them a final deep clean. Look at these perfectly clean potatoes ready for the peeler. They fall directly into a massive industrial steam peeling machine. Extreme high-pressure steam blasts directly into the peeling chamber. The hot steam makes the potato skins blister and loosen. Spinning brushes easily scrub away the loose cooked potato skins.
The rough bristles remove the thin skin in a second.
Inspectors manually remove any tiny blemishes left on the potatoes. The peeled potatoes roll right into the optical sorting machine. High-speed lasers scan every single inch of the surface. The smart computer instantly detects any remaining dark brown spots. A robotic blade violently punches out the tiny bad spots. They plunge right back into another fast-moving water channel. High-pressure water shoots them straight toward the cutting blades. The rushing water blasts them through a sharp razor grid. Thousands of perfectly cut raw fries burst onto the screen. The vibrating screen quickly shakes away all the excess water. The tiny broken potato pieces fall through the bottom grate. We recycle all the small leftover pieces for animal feed. An endless river of perfect French fries moves along here.
Quality control always checks the exact length of the fries.
The raw fries dive right into a boiling water bath. This hot water extracts all the natural sugars right out. We blanch them in hot water for exactly 8 minutes. They emerge hot, steamy, and ready for the drying tunnel. Powerful overhead fans blow hot air directly onto the fries. This intense wind completely dries the outside of the fries. Smart sensors constantly monitor the exact moisture levels right here. Hot golden vegetable oil pumps directly into the massive fryers. The dried fries plunge straight into the boiling hot oil.
The hot oil quickly cooks the outside perfectly golden.
We keep the frying oil at exactly this temperature. Technicians constantly test the hot frying oil for perfect quality. The inside stays perfectly fluffy while the outside crisps. Next, they enter the incredibly cold blast freezing tunnel. Powerful vents blow freezing cold air directly onto the potatoes. Deep freezing locks in all of that amazing fresh flavor. This extreme cold freezes the hot fries almost instantly. The automated computer hits the perfect target weight every time. Iconic branding rolls through the automated high-speed packaging machine. Hot metal jaws instantly seal the plastic bags completely tight. The weighed fries drop straight into their highly recognizable bags. The automated machine prints important batch dates on every bag. These partially fried potatoes emerge with a beautiful golden crust. A final weight check ensures absolute perfection before nationwide shipping. These freshly cooked fries cool down rapidly on this conveyor. The frozen fries are now completely solid like hard ice. This smart machine weighs the exact portions for retail packaging. Thousands of perfectly sealed bags rush down the packing line. Advanced factory robots carefully pack the bags into cardboard boxes. Automated taping machines quickly seal the boxes for their journey. Massive robotic arms stack the heavy shipping boxes onto pallets. Stretch wrap tightly secures the massive stack of cardboard boxes. A trained forklift driver takes the pallet toward cold storage. These giant freezers hold millions of delicious frozen French fries.
Every single shipping pallet is strictly tracked in the system.
The forklift loads the shipment into the massive refrigerated truck. We activate the powerful trailer cooling unit for the trip. The truck carries the fresh delivery safely across the country. The golden fries are finally approaching their ultimate final destination. The delivery arrives safely at your local fast food restaurant. The restaurant staff immediately checks the delivery arrival internal temperature. The fries arrive perfectly frozen and are ready to cook.
She transports the fresh delivery boxes directly into the freezer.
This massive restaurant freezer keeps everything at the optimal temperature.
It is officially time to cook these completely perfect fries.
An even layer ensures a perfectly consistent and golden crunch.
The icy potatoes plunge directly into the boiling hot oil.
They cook for exactly 3 minutes to reach absolute perfection. Hot oil rapidly transforms them into crispy, delicious golden treats. The smart fryer automatically lifts the perfectly cooked potato basket. The hot fries tumble smoothly into the heated warming station. A perfect shower of salt completes the iconic signature flavor. The crew expertly scoops them into the iconic red boxes. Your hot, fresh, and totally delicious order is finally ready. Look at that incredible golden crunch and perfect salt crystal. Nothing beats the amazing taste of world-famous French fries. Dip it into some rich ketchup for the ultimate bite. Millions of hungry people enjoy this iconic treat every day. It is truly the greatest fast food side item ever.